In this video, we are going to see about a problem on arithmetic coding. Arithmetic code. It is a non-block code. That is, it is a one-to-one correspondence between the source symbol and code word doesn't exist. Here, the entire sequence of the source symbol is assigned a single arithmetic code word, whereas the Huffman coding, for each symbol we are assigning a fixed a length code, right? So the arithmetic coding maps a string of data symbol to a code string in such a way that the original data can be recovered from the code string. So consider so this is also a lossless data compression technique. Okay, so here the entire string is converted to a single code word. Okay, so let us see with the help of a problem how it has been done. So here the symbol is given, that is A, B, C and D. So their probability also it is given as 0.4, probability 0.4, 0.3, 0.2 and 0.1. So from this one you have to find the value of q of x minus 1 comma q of x. Okay, so that must be, it should be start with 0 and it will end with 1. Okay, so 0 comma 0.4. so next one is 0.4 comma, you have to add this one, so that is 0.7. So 0.7 comma 0.9. 0.7 plus 0.2 is 0.9. So 0.9 plus 0.1 is 1. So it has to be start with 0 and it has to be end with 1. So the string there we need to code is BCAB. So this is a string we need to code. Okay, so now let us proceed with the problem. So you have to start from 0 to 0.4, 0.7, 0.9 and 1. Okay, so 0, 0.4, okay, 0, 0, 0.4, 0.7, 0.7, 0.9 and 1. Okay, so this is nothing but your A, and this is nothing but your B, and this is nothing but your C, and this is nothing but your D. So first we need to code the value called B, right? So this is for B. So how to, so now the B value is 0.7 and the minimum value is 0.4. okay, so how to find this in between values? You have to take so you have to subtract these two values, that is 0.7 minus 0.4. okay, so if I subtract 1 minus 0, I will get 1. That is 40% of this values. 40% of this value is 0.4, right? So into 40% of 100, because this is so you can see, so how the in between value is formed as 1 minus 0 into 40% plus 0. So likewise I am going to do it here, 0.7 minus 0.4 into 40% plus 0.4. So that value is nothing but 0.53. Okay, so how to find 0.7? 0.7 is nothing but 70%. So 1 minus 0 into 70% by 100 plus 0 is equal to 0.7. So likewise, if I want to find this value, okay, 0.7 minus 0.4 into 70% plus 0.4. So that value is nothing but 0.61. So this is nothing but 0.6. So instead of 70%, if I put 90%, you will get 0.67 for this value. Okay, so this is for B. So next, what is the bit we are passing? That is C. So C is from here. This is 0.67 and this one is minimum value is 0.61. So again you have to do the same thing. What you have to do? So you have to do 0.67 minus 0.61 into 40% plus 0.61. So if I do, I will get 0.634. 0.634. So instead of 40%, if you substitute 70%, means you will get 0.652. So instead of 70%, instead of 40%, if you put 90%, means you will get 0.664. Okay. So next bit we are passing is A. So A starts from 0.634 to 0.61. Okay. So for that one, you have to substitute 0.634 minus 0.61 into 40% plus 0.61. Okay. So if you do, you will get 0.6196, and this one is instead of 40, you substitute 70%, means you will get 0.6286, and 90% means you will get 0.6316. Okay. So next, what we are passing, B. So B starts from 0.6286 to 0.6196. Okay, since this is the value of B, this is the value of A. Okay, so you can choose either this one or this one as a tag. Okay, so let me choose this one as my tag. Okay, so this is the arithmetic code we have produced for this entire string. Okay, for B, C, A, B, at the transmitting side I have produced the tag as 0.6196. okay, so at the receiver side I need to decode, right? So the decoding process will start here. So the V value is my decoded code. What is the code? 0.6196. 0.6196. So that is a minimum value. Okay, so this is your maximum value and this is your minimum value. So 0.6196 will fall in this range, right? So it should be within this 0.4 and 0.67. so the value is B. Okay, so the value is B, and what is the value of q minus 1 and q of x for B? It is 0.4 and 0.7. 0.4 and 0.7. R, what is the value of R? R is nothing but q of x minus q of x minus 1. So that is nothing but 0.3. Okay, so next I need to find the value of this V. So this V, the next state value is V minus q of x minus 1 divided by R. So if you substitute, you will get 0.6196 minus 0.4 divided by 0.3. So if I substitute, I will get 0.732. So 0.732 is in the range of C, right? This is C. So the minimum value is 0.7 and this is 9. So the difference is 0.2. So next, in order to find the next value, we have to substitute 0.732 minus 0.7 divided by 0.2. So if I substitute, I will get 0.16. So 0.16 ranges from for A. Okay. So this is A, 0 and 0.4. So the difference is 0.4. So if I substitute 0.16 minus 0.4, 0 divided by 0.4. So if I substitute, I will get 0.4. So 0.4 is in. So here also you are having 0.4 and here also you are having 0.4. Since I have taken the tag value as minimum value, so I have to choose B. Okay. So there is B. So what is the B value? It's 0.4, 0.7 and 0.3. So next, V plus is 0.4 minus 0.4 divided by 0.3. So we will get the answer as 0. So you have to stop this process. So the value we have find out is BC AP. Thank you.